Hey y'all.
Ice cream, bring that ice, boy. Walk in, know that side, yeah. They can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies. Ayy, got my own little spy. Ayy, look me in my eyes.
Mode enabled.
Yeah, it like zooms out so you can see more.
Hey y'all. Ooh. What the fuck? The ash I almost ate. The ash I almost ate.
We outside, you feel me? It really is though.
What'd he say?
It really is too thick though.
Too thick for the baddies out there, y'all. Go ahead of me.
Okay.
You should pedal and hold on to me.
Alright.
Don't hit me with that. Why are you still behind me? Oh shit! Stop!
Yeah, right there. Holy. I actually almost got a bullshit. Remember, don't even worry about me, just keep going. Damn.
I almost hit you.
It's cool.
I'm scared, I don't want to hit you.
Keep going, I got it.
Okay, sorry, I'm a little slow. You almost tripped me on the fucking bike.
That was fire. I basically did it. down this way.
Down this way?
Yeah.
What's down?
I just want to fuck around with the traffic.
Where was you supposed to be taking me, bro?
You could go down the sidewalk though to be safe.
Where was you supposed to be taking me?
That's the pond, and once we get to the end, it's the pond. You can just wait at the end of the sidewalk, I guess.
What side is the pond?
Just straight down, it's gonna be right in front of you. Across the street.
Okay.
We out. Remember, you could go down the sidewalk to be safe. Okay, nigga. I'm a fucking demon. Damn.